How to create furball in Blender. First, delete the default cube. Add a sphere now. To create fur, you need to add a particle system. Change emitter to hair. You have the option to adjust the number of hairs and their length based on your personal preference. Check the options Advanced and Hair Dynamics. Now you can adjust the settings as you desire. Now add colors. Change the material type from Principled BSDF to Principled Hair BSDF. Now you can bake your animation. You can create basic animations like this.